wish I could rewind, baby.
To shade my eye. Hey everybody, it's Diana, and today I'm going to be doing a smoky eye kind of slash pink look. So this is how it looks right now, and I'm just filming it now because why not? At least you can see how it looks, and then you can see it progress from nothing to something really pretty. So yeah, whoa, well, not my wall, I painted my whole room. It took me about 2 days and it was exhausting. It was not nice. I thought painting was going to be nice, relaxing. No, it's not. Painting a wall is like painting hell. It's really not nice. But yeah, I hope you enjoy my video today. Yeah, I think it's a really good video. Let's get on with the video. First thing that I use to shade my eyelids, this part, is Miwa Makeup Academy Professional 15 Shade Palette in Fire Vixen, and it just looks like this. And the shade I'm going to use is pink. Let me just open it. If it's gonna open, there it is. And it's just that shade there. Very bright, but it's gonna look so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my eyelids. By the way, if I look here, it's because the mirror here, and I just need to look in the mirror so my makeup actually looks good. And I put all over my eyelid using this normal brush, and it just looks like this. And don't go too far because I went too far and it just looked really bad. So don't overdo the pink, don't shade it too much. By the way, a great trick is, like I said with my mascara, when I put it on to make your eyelashes bigger, well not bigger, longer, you use not this side of the mirror, you use this side of the mirror, which is like, it zooms in a lot and you can see where it's not blended. It's just such a good thing to use. It's such a good trick, sorry, to use. It works so well. After you've done your eyes, which look like this, meant to look like that. That was a car that just went past, which is so annoying because my windows are open. It's so hot, like, oh my god, I just can't take it. I don't like heat that much, and I'm sitting in my room and I'm literally, oh, it's just so hot. I open all the windows, but it hasn't helped. It's just like, I like summer because it's my birthday, but I don't know, it's just so hot this summer. Just, it is. Last time it wasn't this hot. But yeah, anyway, after you've done this to your eyes, you want to go under your eyes with this eyeshadow. So it's the same one, just put it back into the eye, put it back into the eye, put it back into the eyeshadow, dip it right in. Oh my god, I can't believe I just said that. Dab it in and just, you know, go under your eye. And don't put too much again, because I told you I'd done this makeup look with too much pink eyeshadow. I looked like a clown. I am not joking. I looked so bad. But yeah, let's just get started. And we put a little bit, like not too much. It's just meant to look like that. So after that, I'm going to use an under eye. So I've hurt myself with this thing. Like, it's dabbed into my eyeball so many times. Like, I can't even put into words how many times I've injured myself with this thing. But it looks good, so why not? So I don't really have a sharpener, so I can't really sharpen it that well, but you know, we can do with whatever. So yeah, let me just zoom in a little bit to show you what it looks like, or focus back. It just looks like this. It says that it's blue, but it's not blue, it's black. I don't really know what brand it is. It's really old, to be honest. I don't really know what brand it is. We can use any, it doesn't really matter. Or do you like my light and my wardrobe? Perfect. I don't know why it's just zooming out. It wasn't meant to zoom out that much. So yeah, I'm just gonna underline my eyes. Oh, someone texted me. Oh, I haven't been on my phone for so long. You don't even understand how long it took me to start this video, because I literally just painted my wall, not just now or anything, yesterday and kind of a little bit of today, because my whole room was not a nice colour, so I had to paint it white for a better background. And it took me so long to like get the lighting good, if that makes sense, because I've never really had a white wall to film on as a background, so it took me so long to start this video. And I did my makeup right, it was too orange, so I had to go in with another foundation. It was just really annoying, but it's fine because we started the video already. So yeah, let me just do the other eye. I'm sorry guys. Oh wait, I literally always do this. I never. This is how my eyes look right now. That makes sense. You can see them. I don't even know what I just said, but yeah, it's how they look. They're meant to look. I look like someone a rock star. This reminds me of that song. Does anyone know that song, Rockstar? I really like that song. Well, I used to until I played it too many times. After that, we're gonna go with the kind of this half smoky eye part. I don't really know what it's called. I'm gonna use the Max Factor Masterpiece Nude Palette contouring eyeshadows in number 3 Rose Nudes, and it looks like this. I've used it so many times, as you can see. I'm going to use is this one over here, right there, where my brush is, that one, or the top of my brush. And I'm just going to go in on this part of my eye, right here. And this is kind of what I was saying with the smoky eye look. Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot. The smoky eye look, I just go on, I just put here and here. I don't blend it all the way though. I don't do it all around my eyelids. I just do it on the sides, right? So this is it when it's done, and this is it when it's closed. Like that. If it's not pink enough after you do the dark part, then you just go in with the pink. Yeah, you go in with the pink eyeshadow again, just right halfway near the eye. Yeah. So lastly, on the eyeshadow part of the look, you just go in again with the same shade of this kind of dark purple, which is here. Just go in under your eye just a little bit, like just a teeny tiny bit.
I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you can want to.
After that, we go in with my favorite part, and that is eyelashes, which I'm so excited. I finally have eyelashes. I haven't had them for forever. They're just these Primark eyelashes. Well, they're not Primark eyelashes. They're not like branded Primark, but I bought them in Primark. They're really good, and they're really cheap, so, and they're good quality. So they're just like that. I really wanted to get these other ones, but like they had more of like a volumized look, but they didn't come with a glue, and because I haven't worn eyelashes in a long time, I could not get them because they didn't have any glue. And I couldn't find any separate glue, which was so annoying, so I had to get these ones. Oh, the glue just fell out onto my seat sometimes, so let's just hope this goes well. Pray for me, guys. Everybody pray for me. Let's pray together. Let Diana put her eyelashes on really good today. We made a prayer. That's good. Oh, I should have put mascara on before. That's another trick. Put mascara on before your eyelashes, because then they stick together like glue. Well, better than glue. Like it sticks to the glue, if that makes sense. Okay, so the dilemma is I put my eyelashes off, and I'm going to go in with my trick, which is put mascara on first. So yeah, I'm going to put my mascara on because I can't put them on without putting mascara on first. Put a little bit on. So finally put them on. Well, one. This is how one looks. Do this. This is how one looks. And this is my eyelash. So this is how it looks on both of my eyes. Just looks like this. And again, this squeakiness is my chair, which is so annoying, but it's fine. By the way, oh my god, my eyes which is on. If you like, I don't know how to explain it, if the pink part or the dark part kind of wash off because of the glue, if that makes sense, you just put a little bit more on, just dab it, because yeah, just do it because you want your makeup to look good. So yeah. So after you've done that, another trick you can do is, I think everyone knows this, if there's any glue on top of your eyelashes, you just use an eyeliner. I'm just using this Rimmel London eyeliner. Now, last but certainly not least is mascara under your eyes. And by the way, I forgot to tell you what kind of mascara I put on top of my eye. And it's just 2000 calorie Curl Addict Rich Volume and Curl by Max Factor. It looks like this. I used it in my last video. It's so good. Wait, is it upside down? That's so much. So yeah, this is how my eyes look after everything. That's how they look when they're closed. Don't worry about that pimple. The thing I'm going to do is my lipstick. So I'm going to use is Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour, and it's by Maybelline New York. And it's just a really good shade. It's in 200 Pink Blick, and it just looks like this. Yeah, where's the label of this? That. And I'm just going to put it in my lips. So this is how it looks. So it looks from far away. It looks from close up.
I will make you a sunset view.
So yeah, this is how my lips look. My eyes look like this. My lips look like this. Last but certainly not least is highlighter. And by the way, I went and put some like more bronze on my face because I thought I looked really pale. So yeah, I just used this highlighter, Model's Own, in Peach Pearl 2, and you can find this shop in Westfield, London. So it just looks like this. I used it in my last video. And if you haven't done your eyebrow part yet, if that makes sense, if you haven't put highlighter on your eyebrow part, you do it now. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. I really do. Like, comment and subscribe for more content, more videos. And yeah, I hope everyone's having an amazing day. And yeah, you're all beautiful in your own way. Everyone is unique. If everyone was the same, it would just be so boring. Like, who wants that? Yeah. Okay, bye.